Hi there, I'm going to take you through Inspiration 8, which is a mind mapping program. So the first thing to do is get it up and running, and there is your icon there. So now that it's up and running, first of all it gives you the options to do a few things. You can create a diagram, create an outline, like a bullet point list, create a normal mind map. There's also templates that you can use that are inbuilt. What I'm going to do, just to give you an overview, is create a diagram. So here we go. What it does is it takes you directly into the centre of the page, and your first thought can go in there. So this is going to be my main idea. Right, so that's there. Now it's looking a little bit small, so all I need to do is click on it and use the squares at the side. And I just drag using the mouse button to make it a bit bigger. If I also want to move it, I just click on and I can drag it around about. Now I don't like the colour, so I'm going to come down here, click here, and you can see I can change the colour straight away. There's a whole range, so I'll make it nice colour, and I'll make the outline black. Again, the font's still a bit small, so I can come to here and make it a touch bigger. And I can also change the font type. So I'll go for that. You see it's starting to look a bit better already. Now, quite like that, so I'm going to click here and set this as my default. So now I can come across to my symbols palette and start to add in more bubbles. And I can use different shapes. You can also search through the palette. So I'm going to go into, what do I have here? Central ideas. So I can just drag that to there. And that, I want to get rid of that one, so I can just right click and then cut. Now I want my first idea, so I'm going to go in here, and here we go, idea 1. I'd like to go to this one. 2. Idea 3. And my final point. Right, now that I've created them, I would like to link them all together. So to do that, click on my first point, and I choose link. You can see you get this wire kind of bends around, and then all I do is use it just to click between the bits you would like to link. And it's as simple and straightforward as that. Again, I can click off it. If I like to change the colour of the link, again I can click on it, come down here, make it red. I can also make the thickness a little bit bigger or smaller. Right, now it's looking a bit messy, so I'm going to take this idea, just grab it, and then I'm just going to drag it up to here, move that one, and so on. So you can play about with it to make it how you want it to look. Right, now that I've done that, I would like to add a bit here. So by double clicking on the arrow, I can add links. And again, it doesn't look too great, but I can make it bigger, so I just make sure I've got it selected. 18, and let's choose a different font again. You can see I've done that. Now I would like to add some notes. So again, all I need to do is click on one of my bubbles, click on the note icon up here, and it produces a little box here. So now I can type in any notes I would like. And again, you can do the same thing here. Again, you can change the font, make it a little bit bigger and easier to read. So I'm going to select all that again. And again, I'd like to change the outside of the box because it's going to be important to me. And the inside, I'll make it different colour. So you can now see I've got my main idea. And with that, again, I can drag it to wherever I like. So I've started to build up my map. Now, I don't want to see the notes anymore. So if I just click on the main idea where they are, there's a small icon here. If you click it, it hides a note and brings it back. So that's done. Right, I'm going to save my map. So I'm just going to go File, and Save, and drop this on the desktop. Now, one of the handy things about Inspiration is you can export it to Microsoft Word. And to do that, all you need to do is click the transfer button. It'll ask you what you want to take, so I'm going to take the diagram, all the topics, any hidden topics, notes, and any hidden notes. So a hidden note would be this one here. So I'm going to click OK. And as you can see, it's brought across my image and also my topics. What it's done is it's laid them out like so. So it goes 1, 2, 3, and if I would like, I can just add more information. You can see where this would be quite helpful if you wanted to write an essay. You could plan it out in Inspiration, add some text notes, whatever, and then export it, and then just finish off in Microsoft Word. And you can use some of the other programs that we've got available, like Read and Write Gold, and you'd be able to spell check, or just use the one in Microsoft Word. So now that that's done, you can just save your document as well. So that's it done. So I'll just close that down, and to exit this you just go File and Exit. So thank you.